watching my fiance drive this thing. I don't like the red reflectors on the rear bumper. I think it's just too much red. I'm gonna do something about that. So I ordered a pair of these reflector overlays. They're made out of vinyl. I got them from an Etsy store called Trek Adventures. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's go put them on. The package actually came with this piece of paper that has a QR code if you want a link for their official instructions. And this is the exact store I got it from. I bought it from the Etsy store, but they also have their other main store if you want to check them out. What we're really going to need today is a bottle of Windex and some paper towels to clean debris off the lens. Spray bottle with just water in it to completely soak the lens while we're doing a wet application. This allows us to shift the vinyl around on top of the lens until we have it perfectly positioned, and then we can just squeegee the water out to the edges. And a heat gun. Heat gun is always recommended for applying vinyl, since it does make it softer and easier to apply around the corners and get wrinkles out, and it just helps a lot. I would highly recommend a heat gun. If you don't have one, use a hair dryer. That's what it should look like. So I trimmed all the edges. Excess material came out looking like little strips like that. And then I used this heat gun to force it to adhere to the lens more and smoothen out the wrinkles on the edges. And let's get started on the other side. After installing the second one, I realized that I don't even need to trim the edges for this. I could just use a heat gun, make the vinyl material softer and more adhesive, and curl it over the edges and push them in with a squeegee, or in my case a giant card, and it tucks away nice and clean. No wrinkles, no cuts had to be made. So if you want to get yourself a pair of these reflector overlays, check out Trek Adventures. They do have a lot more designs. It's not just the X. I'll put their website in the description below if you want to check them out. If you found any of this information useful or helpful in any way, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely helps me out. And if you want to keep up with this Crosstrek project or any of my other projects, consider subscribing to my channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.